Have you joined the millions of other users who hopped onto Threads when it launched? It's the latest app from Meta, the company that owns Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, and it's meant to offer a place for fast conversational engagement, much like Twitter. So, what is it? It's a new way to share primarily text, but also images and videos. On Threads, you connect by following or being followed by others, sharing a post, and engaging with other threads. How do businesses and people use it? The focus on Threads is building meaningful conversations for others to engage with. For businesses, you can interact with customers quickly and grow your reach by mentioning other profiles just like on other platforms. We also suggest using hashtags. Even though the search features are not available yet, we believe they will be. Stay ahead of the curve and use them. The key to early success on Threads is an optimized profile, posting interesting content, engaging with others by commenting and liking and being responsive. Be sure to check it out and follow us at Bootcamp Digital for more information on Threads as it's released.